See, I don't light up my troubles, burn them like cigarette. I don't cut off everything when they give me pay. They say I'm silly, but I'm still killing it every day. And not be everybody with them be on my lay. I am illy, musically, spiritually. I'm only for Bunane, and I like it, canally, mentally. Your Kwamoba go to Chineke Calvary. Go tell you the reason why the bandit turned to Bangali way. I go call you for 4 million dime. Yamu my money, now Sulumo, you been one time. And look at me, I be acting like I am feeling fine. No, I'm not feeling fine. One day, Yamu my fucking dime. A Simuno, a man, Utilike, go Malawi. Upon a dela, one if you never calami. Praying for the days and buy get money, Ferrari. Well, money, and what you use on Miami. I let them make up as often in Memuka. I let Juma Wagabu a G, is in Kuka. Vibe with the spiritual Kafela Kalakuta. So we saw look out Yagina Kukambuka Skuka. I the long week in the world one day and not be 7 days. I the Kwame no Koena tune in a hunger days. Issue the other Loma Clipper upper case. And if it's but I conquer other face. I my body and my bars about your lesson. Amazing on this one, cause I'm amazing on my person. Balonga when I'm don't want to let any person. And you can see my no more if Koponti was the person. Yo,
let's go.
See, so dear hustle. I told you I can never quit you. And one more you know, but so I decided to choose you. You are me, I am you. So you see, I can't cheat you. And this is not that go that I not go leave you. I dey focus anytime on all business. Now my hustle be my gym in case I want fitness. Now my hustle be my medicine, so no sickness. And I'm addicted to this shit, the one that no witness. So you see, mahala kalanko bebe balakoba. Oya walumbo basiambo biko kabalo koba. Boni water leaf and ne kubiko kabalo koba. And open a jolly bread, depo afa bido lokoba. I am the hustle, the one on the game. Every busy wailing go work up pen for the game. I no go ever quit, my eventual bugain. And my mind is too older than my age in the game. Why?
Awesome!
I'm out!
This is a guideline to enter a new decade. Never look down on anyone, cause anyone can rise, yeah? Not all support involves money. Believing in someone's craft, KK, is just priceless. I had ear problems, never got a remedy until I stopped listening to people's bullshit. So without Kudi, I had to struggle and work hard and never stop pushing. But instead, they called me Obolo. That one self no pay me like when they added the tweet. When I tweet, they don't retweet. But see the way my whole country packaged in my body just to come and listen to beef. But a lion is still a lion even in its cage. That's why I know they pay attention when you underrate. We all have different gods, but the same Satan. If you don't love me now, Charlie, no be my later. Fake leaders in the industry looking down on us, cause they're rich and we are from the streets. But see how we made the hustle look beautiful. Mother the beasts are claiming they are from the streets. All you know be say you go write big English on Twitter. But in real life, you know, get sense on your correct biasa. Calling rich people with wax songs as A-list artists, and the poor man can join the alphabetic order. And they said silence is golden. Well, I've been silent for many years. Tell me how many carats be that? Shout outs to the pain that gave us sense. How we go free prosper where the whole industry be biased?
Come on.
And ya fin and bet chairman me to me, yeah. 5 years as a queen, Obian to me. You dey try put a gap between us, but I bridged it. Obian him send your boys near no and open it to me, yeah. Check it. Everybody says the queen is bad, but nobody got the guts to hoop my ass. This industry has for so long, so now I don't need sex. It's been a long time coming, yeah. From a godmother, Niesi Menisu Nesi Wenisu Dianka, when you father that ya pre-basham said then chemo dance to moji fans were paga. Mema was able to say dondo, say why we know that I grown for my band that rapper than I want to shame Sammy Fini pose, eh, Opa, or Mama Canada, Louis become a choosy woman, him. I'm here to stay. If you move betray you 10 and your crusade, now must one more about 10. If you could be in anonymity and could be as one upon you, what print you more and I'm for rapping you, Colicoli. What? Yeah.
Daddy. That's right on 103.9 FM.